Hello, my name is Pavel Numenko and I'm an expert in aviation and IT technologies. When we were selling Antonov aircraft manufactured by the Kharkov aviation plant, the main task was to find our buyer and to convey to him all the advantages of our aviation technology. It was difficult. After all, we were not on the top of world recognition and the competition in the aviation is very strong. Therefore, in order to keep the attention of a potential buyer to ourselves, we had to be laconic, memorable, and demonstrate that they really need our products. At the same time, it is necessary to speak on the buyer's language, literally and figuratively. The Vidby application allows you to translate your video into more than 50 different languages of the world. Whatever you do, sales, online education, creating blogs, your audience will constantly grow with new subscribers from other countries, and your business will become more successful. No more dubbing actors, sound editors, translators, and expensive studio equipment. Vidby technology will do everything in minutes. Moreover, for any language you choose, various male and female voices are available here of different tonality and rate of speech at your choice. You have the opportunity to edit the transcript of the video and, as a result, get an excellent translation quality. For example,
你好，我们的飞机是一个小众产品，但它们在其细分市场中是最好的。几十年来在各种气候条件下的成功运行证实了这一说法。
بسم الله أدعوكم إلى تعاون طويل الأمد ومتبادل المنفعة في مجال الطيران المدني. أعبر عن ثقتي فيما يتعلق بنجاح شركاتنا إن شاء الله.
Or maybe this.
Unser gemeinsames Projekt ist von wirtschaftlichem Erfolg gekrönt. Heute nehmen wir einen bedeutenden Teil des Marktes ein. Mögen wir Glück haben.
Maybe be lucky. Indeed, whoever uses the Vidby application will receive a powerful and convenient tool, allowing them to get ahead of competitors and convey the essence of their offers to customers. Businessmen, teachers online, bloggers, TikTokers, and professional video creators, expand your capabilities. Do not waste time and get connected.